to another beautiful night. Teddy and I are here. We're ready to paint. Okay, you go play now. Good boy. Good boy, baby. Thank you. Go play. Go lay down. Place. Good boy. Okay. Anyway, Teddy is here with us. Tonight we're going to be doing something a little different. I have been inspired by one of my favorite plants on earth. This is an Aeonium Sunburst, actually Aeonium decorum, but it's called Sunburst. These are very, very beautiful succulents in a rosette shape, and this one is variegated. It's got a little bit of yellow, a little bit of green, a little bit of darker green, and a little tiny bit of pink around the edges. And it's just literally, it's so beautiful. This is one of my favorite plants. And I saw a bunch of babies and I went crazy and I bought them because I love them. So. All of them? All of them. Well, I left one in case someone else wanted. But we're going to do a color palette inspired by this, loosely inspired, because it's a little different. But I think this is going to be really cool. So let's get started. I will show you what I'm using. This is an 18 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artists Loft. I have painted my sides and edges, and I have taped and pinned the back. Okay, so that's all ready to go. Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Our colors are very, very pretty tonight. This one is from Pebeo. This is their Pthalo Emerald green, and it's really, really pretty. Beautiful stuff, nice and rich and deep. I'm excited about this. Okay. And we have some of that Liquitex Metallics, the Metallic Blue, which is so pretty. I was looking at it and I was like, wait, which one? Oh, it's the Liquitex. So that's very, very pretty stuff. This one is the Pebeo Iridescent Blue-Green. Very, very pretty. And I have some Cadmium Yellow Deep from Liquitex. Also, beautiful stuff. Everything is mixed with my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol Pouring Medium. This is Amsterdam Pearl Yellow, which is going to act like our gold, I hope. I love that magic trick. And I have some Amsterdam Titanium White standing by, and I have a big, huge tub of Titanium White over there. So, I have been having a lot of fun doing sandwich pours lately and using the glass bead gel in a piping bag mixed with some of the beautiful Little Piggy pigments. I don't know that I'm going to do that yet, but I kind of still want to do another sandwich pour. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use, for this size canvas, we need about 16 ounces of paint. So we're going to use two 9-ounce cups. That'll give us 18 ounces. And that'll be just fine. And then we have Flow Extender also, because I think we're going to have some white left. So, let's layer these. Okay, we are going to do a sandwich pour. So I'm going to start with some white at the bottom. Not super, super thick, but a substantial amount of white. We're going to come right in with that beautiful emerald green, minimally. Again, you want to use bold colors when you're doing a sandwich pour because there's a lot of white, and that has a softening effect on all your colors and makes them into pastels. But I think this is going to be really, really pretty. That metallic blue. A little bit. Actually, let's put some. I want to put the pearl yellow on top of the darker colors. Actually, I'm going to put another little bit of blue on top of that too, to sandwich it in there. It's a sandwich within a sandwich, honey.
Mmm, yummy.
So why did I do that, do you know?
Because you wanted a ribbon of the gold through the blue?
Right, but that pearl yellow will only show up as gold if it's on top of a darker color. So I wanted to put a darker color on each side. Okay. A little bit of yellow. More yellow.
A little dirty there, huh?
A little dirty is good once in a while. Let's put some. Oh wait.
Do you need a sandwich in there?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Got all excited about putting. This is going to be not a very, very pale sandwich. It has a lot of color in it already. I don't actually think we're going to put another layer of color in. We're going to maybe stop there. A little more white at the top of this one. Maybe we'll put a little bit more, one more tiny layer of color. All right, let's do the green. A little bit of pearl yellow. It's really hard to pour small amounts in there. I need full sandwich cups. It's a thick sandwich. Alright. I'm going to put down a little puddle of the pearl yellow. Just spread that out a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna flip these out. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Here we go. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty splatter. Okay, let's do this one too. Ready, honey?
Yep.
Just go for it. Just be fearless.
Nice.
Magic taps. Okay, let's do this one first.
Okay.
Ready, honey?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna lift it straight up and we're gonna look at it before we do anything to it.
Okay.
Okay.
No lipping necessary.
You like it? God, that cup is so pretty. Get that color right in there. Gorgeous. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very cool. Very pretty. Okay. I'm gonna go around this with some white. Get some of our corners and edges. Dance. I really like all of this. It's really pretty. And this part right there is okay. I'm gonna go back and forth for a minute to make sure both of those puddles are incorporated. Should we keep all that blue, or should I get rid of it? Should I get rid of some of it?
No, I like it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So take this one just a little bit. Turn it around so you guys can see it from my perspective. It's pretty. I really like that. It feels like you're like underwater looking up and you see the sunlight coming through. That's pretty. What do you think, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Torch it again.
Yep. You have enough cells, don't you think?
Yeah.
I torch it again.
I like those. I like those cloudy bits.
Yeah. Okay. That's pretty. I like this a lot. I think this is really beautiful. I love that there's a few of the softer areas that are more solid, and then we have this very cell-tastic ribbon. And I like that there's this stream of white in here, and then we get back to those more softer ocean sort of colors. That's really cool. It's pretty. I like the yellow in it. Very minimally, but it's there. I like the green. That's the metallic blue. And we have little bits of that Pebeo iridescent blue-green coming through, like in here, which are really pretty also. So this is cool. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. We'll be right back with dried results. Okay, here we are with our dried results. I'm very, very happy with this one. I love how it's turned out. It's giving me serious ocean underwater vibes, which I really, really like. Beautiful colors in here. Lots of shimmer. I like the composition. I like the softer areas, and I love that cell structure. Really beautiful. Along this bottom edge. No, don't tilt yet. And a little pops of yellow all over the place. Okay, HOA. Now you can tilt. A little bit up and to the side. There we go. That's where the bling is. So that's the metallic blue and the pearl yellow are causing all that shift and shimmer. Really, really cool. So this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this one too. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Please do all that fun YouTube stuff and leave me a like and a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you can, please share the videos. That helps so much. So this was awesome. Have a wonderful week. We'll see you guys on Sunday. You're so funny. Bye-bye.